How's it going, guys? It's CreeperGreifer here, and today we are playing Deadly 30. Oh my god, this game is brilliant. I've played it for quite a while now. I thought I'd do a let's play of it for our Saturday custom video. I've noticed that nobody's been requesting anything, so the Wednesday video hasn't been up for ages. Can people either A, start requesting things, or if not, I'll either cancel it or take requests from people that I know in real life and ask what they would want. Anyway, this is a game by Gonzo SSM, who is one of my favourite animators, and some guy called Ignatius Zuck, as it says at the bottom. But yeah, I have played it before, but for some reason it doesn't like saving my data, so that's annoying. But enough talking about the game, let's play it. I'm going to add 5 minutes of another game onto this, seeing as I took 5 minutes off yesterday's video, because I didn't have enough time to record everything. I'll try my best not to talk during these cutscenes.
God, I don't know where I'm going. Where am I?
But yeah, you have to look after this kind of base area. You get free bullets and stuff at the start of the game. You have 2 barricades here and 1 on the other side. That's the shop. I've unlocked lasers. You don't actually get these unless you've played the game before. But I've also unlocked all of these guns and that. Although I haven't actually used these or the rifles yet because I haven't encountered the Russian guy yet. I know he's a Russian dude, but yeah. F does medikits, E does actions. You can buy boxes from the shop to stack up in front of here to stop the zombies from just immediately smashing the barricade and getting in. The survivor I've only found one, is the German woman, I believe. If you double tap a direction key, you hop. If you sleep in the bed, it becomes nighttime. I haven't seen that thing before. But yeah, you can buy bullets for everyone, extra like armor upgrades, barricade upgrades. You know, these are the boxes that I was talking about. Somewhere in the shop there's a hidden button apparently, so I might keep an eye out for that. But yeah. Crouching improves damage and accuracy, so I'm probably going to be crouching quite a bit. Okay, so it's daytime now, so you can go out and explore. There will still be a few zombies that you need to kill, but they'll be considerably less than at night time. So the currency thing is the scrap metals, and you use it to build stuff, so it's basically the currency of the game. But yeah, I might start doing more of these if you will enjoy it, because it is a pretty good game. But yeah, if you get close to the zombies, you do use a machete. Which is quite funny. But yeah, it's a very good game. I haven't made this, I don't own it, just the copyright issues and crap like that. But yeah, it is an amazing game. yeah, you won't want to come any further than about here, because if you do, quite often you won't make it back in time to the base before day, and you'll get surrounded by zombies and killed pretty quickly unless you have like someone with you and good guns. I believe there's an achievement for surviving the night, but I haven't gotten it yet.
I wonder if we'll ever be saved.
Sometimes you can find like tanks and cars on the roads. These just, you press E and hold it, and it destroys them, so you can like take them down and scrap metal. Okay, I'll just repair the fences. I can't quite afford the AK, so I'll just save up for that and sleep till night. I believe that they change colour every night. And the more, like, the different colours, the more powerful. You do have limited ammo, but it's not like scarce or anything, because you can just make more of the shot. Also, I believe some zombies in the when you're killing them at the night drop ammo, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, another thing I was wondering, would you guys like a collective sort of name? So like, you know, because PewDiePie Bros, things like that. I was thinking of calling you the Creepers, but that's kind of unoriginal and gay, so, you know, if you guys want a collective name, just, you know, say in the comment section below. If you don't, it doesn't matter, just, I'm also going to be making an intro to my videos soon, so yeah, that's something to look forward to. Nope, gotta buy ammo. Another thing is, do you guys like longer videos, or shall I, you know, just keep them this way? Because though 10 minutes is enough, quite a lot of other YouTubers do a lot longer. Oh yeah, you can go up here, which I forgot about. I think the zombies go up there too if you don't kill them all. I think the zombies can go up and kill you, but they'll most likely go for the generator, which you have to protect, which is, you know, that's the whole point of the game, really. But yeah. Hopefully we can find another survivor to shoot what that's like. I mean, the only survivor I found is the German woman. She's usually like in between a stack of boxes. I normally only go to the right, and the only place I've seen the German woman is to the right. So I'm not sure if she is only found if you go to the right or something. I don't know really, but that seems to be where I find her. Hey, here's what I was talking about. If there's a car or something, big metal, you can dismantle it and turn it into scrap. It doesn't look like we're going to be finding a survivor this episode, but, you know, oh well. But yeah, that was just the first 2 nights. The game goes for 30 nights. I believe on the 5th night, which is as far as I've got, there's a boss. But I don't know, because I died at the start of the round and it erased my save data, so I couldn't try again. How's it going, guys? This is CreeperGreifer here, and we are doing Zombie Grinder. This is the second part kind of thing of the Deadly 30 Let's Play, because I played that, but I'm doing 5 minutes extra of this because it's a good game, and also the fact that there was 5 minutes off of the Demon Saturday video. Anyway, let's just jump right into this server. Has some very good music. I think this is a wave map. Yeah, it's a wave map, so I've got to protect. Wait, maybe not. Oh wait, no, everyone needs to stand on that, I guess. Well, ooh, cutscenes. I haven't seen. This is a new map, I think, because I haven't seen this map before, and it's got cutscenes in it, which is pretty cool. I'm the yellow dude with the awesome hat. Yeah. But you earn coins while you're playing the game. Coins allow you to get items such as hats and someone changed the map. That's kind of rubbish. Anyway, coins give you new yes, I got a kill. Woo, oosh. Okay, the coins make sorry, yeah, the coins let you buy hats and guns and stuff. Oh, I died. Damn it. Oh, damn you. Whoop, I'm back in. Ah. Well, I got the I ranked up from the Uzi, which is good because the Uzi is terrible. Oh god. But yeah, Zombie Grinder is brilliant. There's PvP, there's zombie killing, there's loads of different stuff. There's even a campaign mode. It's such a good game, so check it out on day 0. You can get the free one or the paid one. I'm on the free one at the moment, but I am definitely considering paying. The developers are nicknamed Infinitus and Jordizzle. I don't know their full actual names, but it says on the Jura, so if you want to know, you can just go check that out. But yeah, hats off to them. This is an amazing game. Oh god, I'm lagging. Either I'm lagging or this guy's lagging, because I just couldn't kill him for some reason. Which kind of sucks. Anyway, I got an achieve, which is pretty sweet. Now to find someone else to kill. I think this game mode is where you kill people and then you get a new gun. And it's the first 15 kills, as it says at the top. Just a random rocket then. I'm just trying to find another person. That's one of the spawn points, so I'm just shooting there to see if anyone will spawn into that. I can't seem to find anyone. Oh, there. That did not go well. I just sort of exploded and killed myself. Woo! Just spawn and kill. Awesome. Now I've got this machine gun. I haven't used this machine gun yet. Oh god! Oh! How come his kills me but mine doesn't kill him? That's gay. Hacks! I call hacks! Nah, I'm joking. But yeah. I'm probably gonna just leave it till the end of this match before... yeah. I'm gonna get one more kill before I go. Damn it! I'm not very good at this. But yeah. The next video should have an intro because I'm going to start making one today. Damn it! It's very hard to get a kill with this crappy gun because it has a ridiculous charge up and apparently doesn't hit people, which is kind of rubbish. Or maybe I'm just terrible at using this weapon because I've never used it before. I don't know, but personally I just think the weapon sucks. Whoa! How do you get an AK-47? No fairsies. Ugh, this is gonna be impossible. If he has an AK-47, which is like the best gun ever, I have this crappy thing. He's gonna pwn me. Damn it. Ugh. Oh what? I killed him. I didn't even get a new gun. That is bull. I killed him and didn't even get a new gun. Ugh, now I'm stuck with this thing again, and I killed someone with it, so I should have got a new one. Oh my god, it's so easy to die with this thing. It's just so terrible. Ugh. Face palm. Just face palm. Just that weapon is unbearable. Just that weapon is just the stupidest thing in the world. I hate that weapon. Alright, he gets 15 kills because he doesn't get the crap weapon that's impossible to kill you with. Gah, Creeper out.